A potential 3.9% decrease in Litecoin is projected by May 21, per Gov Capital Collector. Let's kick off with a glance at the most recent market activity. As we record this, Litecoin is showing a 0.7% decrease and is trading near $54.15. Let's step into today's projections now. Tomorrow, Gov Capital Collector expects the asset to trade around $52.05, down by 3.9%. CoinLore believes Litecoin could move downward toward $54, a potential drop near 0.3%. Coin price forecast highlights it could edge upward to $54.27, marking a rise close to 0.2%. A different projection by Traders Union notes Litecoin could edge up to $54.61, about 0.8% more than current levels. And lastly, Crypto Predictions expects a rise to $57.39 by tomorrow, 6% up from now. This one delivers the best profit estimate. That wraps up the outlook for tomorrow. Time to see what else is ahead. All 5 forecasts reviewed. Here's what they suggest in numbers. The predictions indicate movement in the range from a drop of 3.9% to an increase of 6%. As a result, Crypto Predictions shows the highest projected return with 6% gain in value by May 21. All in all, you could earn between $2 and $60 for every $1,000 you invest. When evaluating probabilities, Coin Price Forecast's forecast has proven to be the most reliable, with an 82.8% chance of success. Based on all 5 forecasts, I've calculated a consensus scenario. Consensus Insight places Litecoin at roughly $54.46, reflecting stability. So let's go step by step. The consensus expectation is for an increase of 0.6%. To put it simply, your capital could likewise gain by 0.6% if the scenario holds. With 1,000 as the base, this might equal a gain of $6. Consensus calculations suggest the scenario has a probability of around 79.7%. To round out this part, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day horizon. Gov Capital Collector expects the chart to tilt downward. Litecoin may advance, CoinLore also notes. In this forecast, Coin Price Forecast emphasizes stability, expecting Litecoin to stay unchanged. Traders Union highlights building pressure to the downside. An advancing course is described by Crypto Predictions. Bringing together these perspectives, the consensus suggests that Litecoin may strengthen across the 3-day horizon. Looking across the forecasts, most analysts emphasize an optimistic stance, with Litecoin expected to push higher. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were posted. Now we'll see how they compared with the actual price. As a result, the day closed with the price at $54.50. 4 out of 5 analysts ended up on the right side of the move. If accuracy is the key factor, Coin Price Forecast ranked first. Let's break it down now. The daily range included just one prediction. Speaking of ROI, not all results were positive, but Gov Capital Collector achieved the strongest gain at 1.7%. This is the complete summary, all forecasts verified and compared. And looking at the numbers, Gov Capital Collector showed a forecast probability of 49.7%, an accuracy value of $0.81, and an ROI of 1.7%. Look at the numbers. Can you guess who performed best? And now we can observe how the predicted returns for tomorrow differ across a few assets. Litecoin ranks 4th among the compared assets, while Near projects 3.3% profitability. This is just a preview with 5 cryptocurrencies, and extended comparisons across many assets are already online on my website. If you value your time and still want to know what analysts think, hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Bye-bye.